Easy lift equipment drum haulers continue to be the most ergonomic solution for gripping, lifting, transporting, weighing, or dispensing drums since 1997. Seen here is our DH drum hauler with CR clamp, FDA powder coating, and scale system. This video is designed to assist in the training and safe operation of your drum hauler. Before operating any of our drum handling equipment, it is important to read the manuals and become familiar with the proper operations. Before using the equipment, the operator should perform a visual inspection of all the hydraulic lines, fittings, battery, and electrical cords to check for any leaks or damage to the equipment from previous use. If any damage is located, contact a supervisor immediately. To power up the unit, first rotate the red emergency switch clockwise to energize the unit, then turn the key to the on position, which will illuminate the Candace indicator. Prior to beginning, the operator should verify that all functions are in proper working order. This includes the lift and lower controls that are located on the top and bottom of the tiller handle. Drum haulers equipped with a hydraulic clamp include a magnetic-backed control box on a coil cord to provide remote rotation and clamping functions. This includes controls for rotating the clamp left and right. The top rocker switches control the clamping function. Operators must press the red safety switch to enable the clamp function. This requires operators to activate two switches to clamp or unclamp a drum to prevent accidental release of an elevated load. Also located on the tiller handle is the horn button, as well as the green thumb control, which is a variable speed control and allows the drum hauler to travel in a forward or reverse direction, and a red emergency stop button. If the red emergency stop button contacts the operator while moving in reverse, the drum hauler will immediately stop and move forward to help prevent injury. Also located on the tiller handle is a turtle switch, which allows the drum hauler to be moved while the tiller handle is in the fully upright position, as well as offer a creep function for precise positioning. To charge your drum hauler, ensure it is turned off. Unplug the SB175 connector from your drum hauler and connect the charger cable to the battery. It is important to ensure the charger is only connected to the battery and not to the drum hauler, as this could cause damage to the unit or charger. The drum hauler's large 24-volt industrial battery allows the machine to run continuously from 12 to up to 16 hours on a single charge. Charging times range from 6 to 8 hours. The CR clamp seen here is for handling drums from 20 to 24 inches in diameter. When approaching the drum, press the lift switch up so the clamp is in line with the center of the drum or in between the two center ribs. Open the clamp and push the equipment forward to clamp the drum. It is recommended to apply slight forward momentum when clamping so the front of the clamp meets the back of the drum, ensuring a secure grip. Only lift the drum to the required height needed for proper floor clearance when transporting the drum to its destination. Drum haulers are available with a single or two-stage mast configuration for lifting drums up to 144 inches. Remove the drum's lid or open the bungs accordingly. To assist in safe operation, drum haulers starting in mid-2019, excluding EE-rated units, are equipped with a lift cutoff feature. The lift function is automatically cut off after about 6 to 7 seconds, approximately 20 to 24 inches high. As soon as the lift switch is released, lift is enabled immediately and can be re-engaged quickly by the operator. The CR clamp rotates 360 degrees endlessly, either left or right. An extended reach CR clamp is available when the need to grip or release drums from one side of a 48-inch wide pallet or to access a recessed manhole is required. The clamping pads are comprised of SBR rubber to provide a durable yet secure non-marking surface to grip the drums. Drum haulers are designed for heavy-duty, high-volume applications with select clamps and modifications which enable capacities up to 1,200 pounds for even heavier applications. When handling heavy plastic, fiber, or tapered drums, it may be necessary to add either a pony hold-down or foot support to reduce the risk of slippage from the clamping jaws. Both the CR and FCR clamping jaws have two pre-drilled and tapped locations for easy installation. The foot support faces out to enable clamping of the drum from a pallet. After clamping and lifting the drum, the foot can be adjusted up or down as needed and rotated into position. The pony hold down provides a similar support to ensure a secure hold when the drum is rotated. Both supports are constructed in stainless steel for cleanliness and durability. Both CR and FCR clamps allow the clamp to grip drums from 20 to 24 inches in diameter. Both clamps feature an optional small drum adapter, which enables the clamp to grip smaller drums down to 14 inches in diameter, or a pail adapter specifically designed for handling 5-gallon pails. The small drum adapters are comprised of 2 individual curved sections with white non-marking rubber vulcanized to the metal curves. The sections are installed over each side of the clamp, then locked into place by inserting a stainless steel pin and cotter pin. The adjustable clamping pressure option permits the operator to lower the factory-set clamping pressure exerted on the drum depending on clamp and application, such as when handling lightweight fiber drums or sensitive drums subject to impressions. All models are available with optional scales for intrinsically safe or non-intrinsically safe areas for dispensing the contents of drums by weight or performing inventory. Scales are extremely accurate and eliminate the need for pre-weighing materials into other containers on floor scales for batching. FM-approved EE rating is available for customers operating in hazardous environments. Standard features include safety orange powder coating for durability. For food or pharmaceutical applications, drum haulers are available in an FDA-approved epoxy gray powder coating as well as full 304 stainless steel construction. Both include food-grade grease, food-grade hydraulic fluid, and corrosion-resistant lift and rotation chains. When operation is complete, always lower and close the clamp and power the unit down by turning the key to the off position. We offer a 30-day trial toward purchase program for first-time buyers at 15% of the purchase price. For more information on our products or to discuss the specifics of your drum handling project, please contact us today.